The global foreign exchange Forex market is the largest and most actively traded financial market in the world. When looking for the best Forex broker, both beginners and experienced traders generally look for several key features and benefits. Among the most important of these are overall trading experience, breadth and depth of product offerings such as currencies, CFDs, indices, commodities, spread betting, cryptocurrencies, and many others. Fees, which include spreads and commissions. The trading platforms, which can be web-based, downloadable software, mobile, chatting, and third-party platforms. Customer support, trading, education, and research. And the last one is trustworthiness. Hello, welcome to Geoffrey Gikud channel. I am Geoffrey Gikud, and in this video, I'll be going through in-depth review about one of the best Forex brokers in the market, Roboforex. Whether you are just a novice or an experienced trader, Roboforex is truly worth trying out, according to my personal experience with them. Roboforex is one of the fastest growing multi-asset brokers globally. Founded in 2009 with its headquarters in Belize, it offers traders one of the best asset selections and trading costs in the industry. It is also home to one of the most competitive trading environments, and traders enjoy industry-leading protection. Should you join the over 1 million traders with Roboforex from 169 countries? One of the greatest things in Roboforex proposal is a good range of trading software or platforms where you can select between industry powerful MetaTrader, CTrader, or RTrader. Roboforex features. The first one we have excellent trading conditions for Forex. One of the top features at Roboforex is its trading conditions, which it describes as unique. Roboforex offers tight spread starting at 0 pips and low commissions from $10 per 1 million trade volume. Roboforex also has fast order execution thanks to its MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are the best a broker can offer. The best trading conditions can be found at Roboforex ECN, Prime, and R-Stocks trader accounts. The second feature is real stock investment. Roboforex provides traders access to a wide range of stocks. The platform now offers over 12,000 instruments for trading, including more than 3,000 real stocks listed on New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq. The R-Stocks trader platform is cutting edge, and traders will appreciate the low commission fees from $0.0045 per share, spread starting at 0.01, and huge variety of products from which to choose. The third feature is R-Mobile Trader. R-Mobile Trader lets you trade on the go. This app is compatible with iOS and Android, and it allows users to trade over 100 instruments. R-Mobile Trader lets traders close and open positions on their MT4 account, deposit and withdraw funds, invest using copy effects, monitor news, and perform other necessary functions, the same as they would on a desktop computer. Roboforex Pros. First, it offers the MetaTrader suite plus other platforms. Second, Prime, ECN, and R-Stock trader accounts have excellent trade conditions. 0 commissions on the Pro accounts. Award-winning record. Wide range of accounts, including Islamic and copy. There is excellent asset selection above 12,000, covering 8 asset classes. There is also competitive trading cost and high leverage. Generous bonus program, affiliate offers, and instant withdrawals. Roboforex cons. Pro conditions not as excellent as Prime or the ECN account. Fees on withdrawal of funds, though the charges are minimal as compared to other brokers. The only major drawback for registering with Roboforex is that US clients are not accepted. Roboforex pricing. The pricing and fees depend on the type of account, and fees vary when it comes to minimum deposit requirements, commissions, and withdrawals. For example, the commissions per trade fee on the Prime account is from $10 to $15 per 1 million trade volume. In contrast, that fee is $20 per 1 million trade volume for the ECN account. The R-Stock trader account has fees from $0.0045 per share, while the Pro account, which is most popular, has 0 commission fees. Roboforex provides a variety of ways to deposit and withdraw funds. These methods include bank payments, electronic payments, bank cards, cash and vouchers, and cryptocurrencies. I sincerely had an exquisite experience with Roboforex while trying to withdraw my funds via crypto. It took roughly 2 minutes for my funds to hit my Binance account. Yes, 2 minutes. It took another broker that I do use roughly 2 hours to find my Binance account. In comparison, when it comes to fast withdrawal execution, I really recommend you do choose Roboforex over many brokers out there. You can sign up with Roboforex using my link in the description or use the promo code. There are no fees to deposit money, though there might be fees for withdrawing money, depending on the type of payment you use. Bank transfers are most likely to be subject to fees of up to 4%. You might also see fees for using certain credit cards like Visa, MasterCard or JCB. That's around 2.6% according to some users. You should select your account at Roboforex based on what you want as a trader. Prime account holders will experience the best trading conditions. ECN accounts have equally optimal trading conditions and fast execution speeds, while R-Stock trader account holders have the convenience of being able to access all of their financial markets using just one single account. Additionally, there are a few Pro account advantages, including its usefulness in helping flow into CFD trading and real currency quickly. According to Roboforex, the Pro account is the most popular account for new traders. Roboforex reliability and security. A broker's reliability depends heavily on the software it chooses. Roboforex uses MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, both of which are industry standards when it comes to trading. MT4 has 3 types of order execution, basic graphic analysis tools, and 50 indicators for technical data. It also gives users the opportunity to program their own AI traders. MT5 is a cut above MT4, offering 4 types of order execution, 6 types of pending orders, and a multi-currency tester and market depth, in addition to having all the features of MT4. If you want something different than the MetaTrader suite, Roboforex offers a seed trader platform which is geared towards experienced traders who prefer unconventional instruments and fast order execution speed. Seed trader has rare types of orders, 54 indicators, (14 timeframes and level 2 pricing. R-Stock Trader is another platform available, again geared towards advanced traders. This multi-terminal web platform is easy to use and has features like advanced watch list all through one single account. These software systems all are a testament of this broker's reliability. A broker is only as glitch-free as its software, and the multiple platforms offered are a good sign of smooth trading experience. Roboforex user experience. Educational tools offered and the quality of customer service are 2 ways to judge user experience. How much a user learns and how quickly their needs are met matter a lot. In terms of educational tools, Roboforex provides video and written guides on the basics of the stock market. That's how to open an account, how to start trading, and many more. The analytics includes Roboforex analysis and forecast and an economic calendar as well as a data center. This broker also provides a blog where in-house experts weigh in on current events and trading strategies. Customer support. Customer support at Roboforex appears responsive with 3 different email addresses, one for general questions, one for marketing, and one for partners. You can also ask a question in a live chat on the broker's website or call the Roboforex number. Verify My Trade, VMT Audit. Roboforex is constantly audited by Verify My Trade, the partner of the Financial Commission, to confirm its compliance with the high standards established by the Financial Commission for its member brokers. $1 million promotion. In 2020, to celebrate its 10th year anniversary, the company decided to distribute gifts to its clients and partners. Roboforex conducted a huge promotion and for 8 straight months was giving away prizes for a total of $1 million. With the so many transaction avenues provided at Roboforex, it can be a challenge choosing the best method to use. If you really care about fast execution and privacy, then cryptocurrencies is the way to go. Some of the other methods can take up to 10 business days for your money to land into your account. The crypto market has numerous exchanges, and to get the best out of them, watch this video where I take you through a full review of the best crypto exchange in the market.